All right, so this is a quick tutorial on adding up SMARVUS subscales. What I have over here is a data set with 1,000 participants in it who have had all of their attention checks filtered out. So people who didn't pass any of the attention checks. Filter one is people who didn't pass the attention amnesty check at the very end. And then 2 through 7 are the people who didn't pass the various attention checks throughout. So that leaves us with a data set with 333 participants filtered out of 1,000, has 667 total participants in it. And what we are going to do is I'm going to show you how to add up the different subscales. So this should be a refresher because I have shown you how to do computations before, but I think it's helpful to have refreshers, especially when you're going to do a whole bunch of them. So I want to get total scores for test anxiety from the stars. That's the subscales, the test anxiety, interpretation anxiety from the stars, asking for help anxiety from the stars. And then I want to get a total score for the stars. And we're going to do totals on all of this. We're not going to do mean scores because that's how we're going to calculate these. So I'm going to go to where the questions, where the star scale is, and that's Q7.1 underscore 1 to 7.1 underscore 24. Now, this is an attention check question, but they nestled it in with the stars scale. I want to put the total scores for this. This is sort of a usability thing, is like, where do you want to be looking for your scales in your whole list of variables? I think everything I'm going to compute, I think I'm going to put at the very end. Okay, so I think I'm going to put it down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a computed variable at the end, append, and I'm going to name this stars test. So test anxiety subscale of the stars. Of the stars. All right, and I'm going to add 7.1 underscore 1, 4, 8, 10, 13, 15, 21, and 22. So I'm going to find those variables, double click question 1, hit the plus sign. Question 4, hit the plus sign. And so on. 13, 15, 21, and 22. And that gives me a score for each participant on their test anxiety subscale. So then I'm going to do the same thing for interpretation. I just double clicked on that and it asked me what I wanted to do. Stars, interpretation. And this is going to be 7.1 underscore 2 plus 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 14, 17, 18, and 20. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm just double checking these. I think it's smart to do that. 17, 18, 20. Okay, that looks good. So that is our interpretation anxiety. And then we're going to do stars asking for help. And this is a short one. This is going to start with 3, 16, 19, 23. Okay. Now we also want an overall stars. So we're going to do a new computed variable. And this one's easy because we just add up the 3 of these. Okay. You don't have to add up all of the individual questions. So stars test plus interpretation plus asking for help. And now we have a stars total. And that is how you compute scaled totals and subscale totals in the SMARVUS. Now, a couple of these are going to be reverse coded. I think just one. I think it's just the ATMS persistence. You are going to have to first recode questions 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. And let me show you how to do that again really quick. So that's scale 16. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight questions 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. And I am going to transform those. I'm going to create a new transform, and this is going to be reverse code. How many points of a scale is this on? So let me look up information in the code book about this. So 16, okay, I'm going to have to download this and take a look. So if I go to question 16, I have to know how many scale points it has because I have to make 5 into 1. I have to make 4 into 2, blah, blah, blah. Or if it's a 7-point scale, I have to make 7 into 1. So I need to know where to start. So this goes through 1 through 5. Okay, 1 is strongly disagree and 5 is strongly agree. So let's go back to Jamovi. We're going to reverse code 5-point scale and apply this to all of them. And to do that, we're going to do 6 minus the source. Jamovi likes to not record anything I've said. Okay, and you see here it has created, maybe it has, maybe it hasn't. No, it hasn't done it right. I have to save it. Okay, I don't know why I had to do that several times, but now you see here's reverse code Q. Actually, the other thing I want to do is give it a variable suffix of R because that just makes it easier to like keep track of. Okay, so this is 1_7R, and this is 1_7. You see a 4 has become a 2, a 3 is still a 3, a 2 is a 4. So that has worked for all of these. So when we're adding them up, okay, let's go back to Jamovi. And then let's go back to our list of scales. We're going to add a computed variable at the end, and this is going to be ATMS persistence. It's just one scale. It doesn't have subscales. And we are going to go down to the 16s. We're going to do 1 normal, 2 reverse code. We have to do a plus sign in between all of these. 3 reverse code, 3, 4, and 5 all reverse code. 3, 4, and 5. 6 normal. And then 7 reverse code. And then we have a total ATMS score with the reverse coding. And that's the only one with reverse coding. So you should be fine after that. There are scales that are and variables that are on the SMARVUS that I don't have here. These are just the scales that I use in my class. This should get you started on creating total scores for all of the scales or subscales.